Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Outdoor String Lights is probably one of the most versatile and charming additions you can make to your outdoor space. Whether you're aiming to create a cozy ambience for a backyard gathering, illuminate a patio for evening relaxation, or simply add a touch of magic to your garden, these lights offer a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. In this video, we'll dive into the world of outdoor string lights, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them stand out. Number 5. Brightech Ambience Pro Solar String Lights. These 27-foot string lights from Brightech are perfect for any outdoor space. They feature 12 LED bulbs and a detachable solar panel for easy charging. It's a great way to add some light to your patio or porch. Built to withstand the elements, this product uses weather-tight technology and shatterproof bulbs. It can handle winds up to 50 miles per hour, rain, and snow. You can enjoy it all year round. With no need for an outlet, you can place the solar panel anywhere with the included stake and clip. These lights are perfect for balconies, gardens, or any outdoor gathering. It is easy to set up. The vintage Edison bulbs create a retro bistro look and a pleasant party ambience. The 3000K soft white lights are bright enough for any activity. They last for 5 to 6 hours on a full charge. Looking for a thoughtful present? These commercial-grade string lights are ideal for anyone. It is perfect for various events, from birthdays to holidays. Brightech offers an industry-leading 2-year limited warranty. If you have any issues, their customer support is ready to help. You can buy it with confidence. What we like? This string light is solar-powered, meaning no outlets are needed. It's also weatherproof, so rain or shine, it's ready to go. If you're looking for an easy-to-install, energy-efficient option for your patio or garden, you should consider this. What people say. The lights are bright and the color is perfect. They are very easy to install. The length is perfect for my patio. Number 4. Meconard LED S14 Replacement Bulbs, 1W, E26, Warm White. These LED bulbs are energy-saving, using only 1 watt of power, equivalent to a traditional 11-watt bulb. They can help you reduce your electricity bill significantly. Each bulb emits a warm white light with 100 lumens. Made of durable plastic, these bulbs are shatterproof and can withstand various weather conditions. They are resistant to snow, extreme temperatures, rain, and harsh sunlight, making them perfect for outdoor use. With a lifespan of up to 25,000 hours, you won't need to replace these bulbs frequently. They are suitable for both indoor and outdoor string lights, including bistro lights, patios, gardens, and parties. These S14 LED bulbs fit E26 medium screw bases. Simply screw them into the sockets to create a warm and inviting atmosphere instantly. They combine modern technology with vintage styling. Please note that these bulbs are not compatible with solar string lights. Ensure you screw the bulbs in tightly for proper function. If any bulb doesn't light up, try tightening it further. What we like? These LED bulbs are energy efficient, saving you money on your electricity bill. They're also shatterproof, so you don't have to worry about breakage. If you're looking to replace old bulbs and want a safe, long-lasting solution, you should consider these. What people say. These are strong as they can take a hit from a 9-pound soccer ball coming at it full speed. We replaced our glass lights with these due to high wind and storms breaking our glass ones. These look very nice and durable for our patio, nice brightness and way to replace. They work as advertised. Dropped one and it didn't break. No issues with the fit or operation. Easy as changing any other standard light bulb. Solid build, nice warm light. Number 3. Svater 25 feet Outdoor String Lights. These outdoor string lights are designed with fully sealed sockets, making them waterproof and able to withstand various weather conditions. The plastic bulbs ensure safety, eliminating any worries about broken glass. This commercial-grade string light set includes 12 shatterproof LED bulbs, plus a spare. You can connect up to 40 strands to customize your space. It's easy to set up and expand as needed. The ETL-certified bistro lights are energy efficient, using only 1 W per bulb, which helps you save on electricity. They also come with a spare fuse for easy replacement. These outdoor lights are dimmable with a dimmer, not included, allowing you to adjust the brightness. They come pre-assembled and are ready to hang, with each bulb functioning independently. The vintage warm white glow creates a cozy atmosphere. Perfect for patios, backyards, and balconies, it's ideal for entertaining and adding a touch of charm to any outdoor setting. What we like. This string light is fully waterproof, perfect for any weather condition. It's also dimmable, allowing you to create the perfect ambience. If you want a versatile and safe outdoor lighting solution, you should consider this. What people say. The lights are bright and the perfect length. They are very easy to install and look great. These lights are exactly what I was looking for. Number 2. Brightech Ambience Pro Solar String Lights. Introducing the Brightech Ambience Pro. These 27-foot string lights feature replaceable LED bulbs and a detachable solar panel. They are designed to last for years with a long lifespan. These lights are built with weather-tight technology, able to withstand wind, rain, and snow. The glass bulbs are heat-resistant and the heavy-duty cord is made for both indoor and outdoor use. No outlet is needed, thanks to the solar panel. You can place the panel almost anywhere. These lights are perfect for any outdoor space, from balconies to gardens. The vintage Edison bulbs create a retro bistro look. They provide a pleasant ambience for any gathering. Enjoy your outdoor space with these relaxing lights. Brightech offers a 2-year limited warranty. They stand behind their product and are ready to help with any issues. Contact customer support for assistance. What we like. This string light is solar-powered, offering convenient, eco-friendly lighting. It's also built with weather-tight technology to withstand the elements. If you're looking for a durable and stylish lighting solution for your outdoor space, you should consider this. What people say. The lights are bright and the perfect length. They are easy to install and look great. The lights are very well made and look great. Number 1. SUNSGNE G40 LED Outdoor String Lights. These G40 LED outdoor string lights are perfect for any outdoor space. They provide a soft glow, creating a relaxing atmosphere for your patio or balcony. The lights use an E12 base and come with 25 clear plastic LED bulbs, plus 2 spares. This set features a black string, making it easy to blend with any decor. Made of high-quality, shatterproof material, this product can withstand the elements. Each 0.6 W LED bulb saves energy and lasts up to 20,000 hours, reducing the need for replacements. These lights add a warm, inviting ambience to any setting. Use them to decorate your bedroom, living room, or outdoor areas like patios, tents, and pergolas. You can connect up to 28 strands end-to-end, covering a large area. They are waterproof, shatterproof, and UL certified, designed to withstand various weather conditions. Installation is simple with cable ties or cup hooks. A single bulb going out won't affect the others. The product is designed for both convenience and durability. What we like. This string light features shatterproof bulbs, ensuring safety and durability. It's also connectable, allowing you to customize your lighting setup. If you need a reliable and expandable lighting solution for your outdoor events, you should consider this. What people say. They have been on my rear deck since summer and have been flawless. They have an outstanding color tone with a lot of light emitted from each bulb. Bulbs do not get hot and very bright. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.